In 2016, we started our first consortium in the UK in Cambridge, and we made tremendous progress in that location with multiple drug discoveries, some very significant advancements of both technology and the methods.
So we started in the UK with a single Titan Cryos. So much demand built so quickly from the members that we've added in a second one at the beginning of phase 2. We continue to operate those tools each at about 300 days per year. So that means we're actually delivering 4 to 6 million movies of high-value drug targets back to our customers at that site each year. It's really exciting to open the next version of the consortium in the San Francisco area. The CDDC is the Cryo-EM Drug Discovery Center. Full capabilities from sample prep, data acquisition, and a full software ecosystem to allow us to do real-time sample assessments, live processing, and to make sure that we're able to pipe data back to our customers globally in real time.
The proximity to our customers is key. So we can have now relationships with customers who, instead of sending samples out, maybe cross-country, maybe they don't have capability in-house, they can bring it here.
We are offering a set of tools and not only single particle tomography, and to see where the drug is binding, see how the cells are interacting, how the ultrastructure of the cells can change when you use a treatment. Cryo-EM is complex and it requires a certain level of knowledge.
We have 3 scientists here to help with our customer. We all came from slightly different background, but all using Cryo-EM.
There are a lot of opportunities for companies, both large and small, in the area to establish this community that we're building. So you can draw on all levels of expertise. So we're hoping the companies can learn from one another.
One of the most rewarding part of my job is working in the ecosystem where we have, first of all, the best instrumentations, and second of all is the scientific collaborations that we're surrounded with.
Now is a super important time for pharmaceutical companies. Of course, we all know it's difficult and it takes a long time to get a drug onto the market. Cryo-EM can help with that. It can help be more successful, and it can help shorten the time to market.
We have many customers that are turning around fully complete structures in 7 days or less from receiving new potential therapeutics from their chemists, and that really puts us in line with MedChem cycles. And all of that is because endeavors like the UK Consortium has allowed us to intimately become familiar with the priorities of our customers, to identify the places where we need to accelerate with highest priority, and then to ensure that our product roadmaps and our investment strategy and innovation is really aligned to delivering on the greatest advancements for them.